Okay, Cowcat's first U-Haul truck. Hopefully of very, very few in her lifetime. She seems to be handling it okay so far as we approach the vehicle.
Princess paddle paddle.
Door opens, it may be a little hot in there.
Cowcat.
There you can start it and pop my door open if you can reach it, but that way you can turn the AC on right away.
What do I have to?
You might have to just wait a second. Now try. No, maybe you have to have your foot on the brake. I'll just come around.
I can't reach very well, so. Where's the
You have to actually pull the door handle a little, that's fine. I'll be right back, Cowcat.